All right, so today I want to talk about the LG Signature Kitchen Suite Combination Wall Oven. To keep this very straightforward, I love this piece for the family who comes home from work and needs to get dinner ready. The biggest reason I love this piece is its simplicity. You don't have to be a professional chef to make a delicious dinner for your family, and with the speed oven, you can do it quickly. It's super easy to use. So if we're gonna do a regular bake, you're just gonna turn the knob right to bake, and then on the touchscreen here, you're gonna select what you wanna cook. So you would go to your vegetables, to your baked potato, and you're gonna say, I need 4 of these done. You're gonna put your tray into the oven. You're gonna remove this top piece here. You're gonna set the cooking tray in here, close it up, hit start. In 12 minutes, your baked potatoes are ready to go. Super simple to do. Now, if you're gonna go with something more standard, you do have your blue enamel on the convection lower oven here. And as you can see, it does come with 2 racks that pull out, and you got your standard one up top. Now you can put these wherever you need, but the nice thing is when you're going through selecting what you wanna cook, it will tell you where to put each rack. That way you get the correct heat for the correct time and for the correct weight of whatever you're cooking. Again, super simple to do for the family who needs to get food on the table quick. And again, you don't have to be a professional chef to use this appliance.